Hi everybody, so I wanted to make this quick video just telling you guys, OMG, I moved in to my own apartment with Aaron and I am so excited. And I know what you guys are thinking, like, OMG bro, OMG, just moved in with your boyfriend, you are so young. Well, we're like best friends, we've been together for like 5 years. And if I'm going to be away for school, like, he's the person that I feel most comfortable with, so we just decided to do it, and I'm so excited. And I actually go to school, I've told you guys this before, I go to school 2 hours, like around 2 hours away from my hometown, so I do go to my hometown pretty frequently, so you guys still will see videos and stuff there. But I just wanted to tell you guys, if you guys noticed that there was a new background and you're like, where the heck are you? But I totally am going to be doing a room tour and an apartment tour all together, but we're still, you know, adding a few things, and I'm not even sure like when we'll be done, but I think I'm just gonna be doing that video ASAP. But I just wanted to tell you guys the exciting news, and if you guys have any questions about it, just comment down below and let me know. And yeah guys, so I'm gonna be putting up some exciting videos pretty soon, especially in October, so be excited and stay tuned for the apartment tour and the room tour all together tour, whatever. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.